All right, greatest common factor of monomials. Okay, before I get started, I want to break down the word greatest common factor. Okay, so we have this term right here. We already know what monomial is. It's just a single term. These are all monomials. Okay. Greatest common factor. First thing we're going to do is worry about the word factor. Factor is a number, a number that goes into a bigger number. So like factors of 4 would be 1 times 4 and 2 and 2. Those are all the factors of 4. So what you want to do is make a factor tree of all these numbers. 1 times 54, 2 times 27. 3 does not go into 54, right? 54. Oh, it does actually. It's 3 and 18. 4 does not. 5 does not. 6 is 9. And then 7 does not go into 54, nor does 8. So these are all the factors of 54. 18, we get 1 and 18, 2 and 9, 3 and 6, 4 and 5 don't go into it. And then 36. 1, 36, 2 times 18, 3 times 12, 4 times 9. 5 does not go into it, and 6 times 6. All right. So we found all the factors of our numbers, so we're done with that one. Now we got to figure out the common factors of all the numbers. So you can see 1 is here. Got 1, 1, and 1. 1 will always be a common factor of all numbers. Let's go different color. We got 2, 2, and 2. Also a common factor. I see 3s everywhere. I'll just keep the same color for now. 3, 3, 3. Going to 4, I got 4 here, but nowhere else. Going to 5, there's no 5s. I see 6s. 6, 6, and 6. This is actually twice in 36. No 7s, no 8s. I do have 9s everywhere. No 10s, no 11s, no 12s, no 13s, no 14s, no 15s, no 16s, no 17s. 18! I see 18 everywhere. And that exhausts this factor tree list, so we don't have to go any further than 18. So now we have all the common factors that are circled in green and the 1 in red. Well, what is the greatest number of all the numbers circled in green? That would be 18. Okay? So 18 is our greatest common factor, at least the number. Now we look at the variables. Z cubed, z to the 1, and z squared. Well, how many z's can we pull out from every single monomial? We can pull out 3 here. We can only pull out 1 here and 2 here. Well, the smallest number is z to the 1. So the answer here would be 18z. Okay, I'll do one more. A little faster here. Looking right away at this one, I can tell, I'm actually looking at the variables this time. I'm going to go backwards than last time. If you look at all of our variables, they're all y to the 4th. Okay, so we know we can pull out all those. That part's pretty easy. Then 35, 14, and 63. So you make a factor tree of all of them. 7 times 5, 7 times 2, and 7 times 9. So 7 times 5 equals 35, 7 times 2 equals 14, and 7 times 9 equals 63. So our greatest common factor will be 7y to the 4th. Okay, and one more real quick, 15, 30, and 45. Right away, I can tell in this problem, look at the smallest number, which is 15 here. 15 goes into 30 and 45. So our numbers will be 15 right away. And we have 5 n's, 3 n's, and 2 n's. So 15 n squared. I'm done.